Hello guys, I'm Shreyas and this is PAPits. Now I'm going to show you the unboxing of Panasonic Eluga I3, which is a 4G model. Let's see. It has HD IPS, which means 5.5 display, 2GB RAM, VoLTE, FitI, FitUI, home screen. Let's check it. This says that it has 5.5 IPS display and Lollipop 1.3 GHz quad-core processor, 2GB RAM, 16GB memory expandable, 32GB 13MP rear camera, 15MP front camera, and at last 2700 mAh battery. Yes, I opened the seal. I thought that it is come safe or not. Let's open it. Yes, here is the smartphone. Panasonic Eluga I3. Let's keep it here itself. Let's check what it is. Yes, it is still one warranty card and a guidebook which you helps you to know about some stickers. And special thing is that it got a screen guard. It says that step 1, step 2 is you can put a screen guard to your mobile. That's good. Panasonic did great work in here. And it is a headphone which helps you. You can see a charger. Let's see. It says that 5 volt per amp. Yes, it's a normal charger, not a fast charger. It's empty. Let's check it. It's nice. Oh, let's open it. Let's check that. I didn't get the battery. I think it is sealed inside. Yes, it is sealed battery. There's SIM 1 slot, 2 slot, and a micro SIM card. Speaker. It's a seal. I didn't know that. It's a flashlight and a camera. Let's open this side. Let's open it. First I'll do it is a camera, some sensors, and the charger port, a microphone. Is a volume button to Panasonic. It is a rear camera, flashlight, Panasonic logo, Eluga model, and speaker. It's a plastic rim. Let's see how it is. Yes, that's super. It's nice. Super. Yes, it's clear now. Do some important note. It's cool. Since Wi-Fi network, I gotta go this network for a while. Let's keep it. So it give me the 4th word. I think like to be friend. Something. Skip anyway. Now comes the name you want to name. Let me write it. Speed. First of is not allowed. Yeah. It's go. Okay, about Google services. We want it. Next. This is open. Location and letting It has two displays. One is lollipop launcher, which is normal, and it has a fit home screen. I don't know how it will be. Let's check it. Let's check it. It's a like, let's fit home screen that one's as the mobile as launcher. It is fit home screen, 2 3 button. There's some short changes. You can change the short to layout to full screen on hand, right into the other hand. Let's check sequence. Like a real neighborhood mode and it's a lollipop, which is 5.1 centimeter. Now let's check the storage. Its storage is 16 memory and we left only 10.64 GB. So it is 64 GB and we left only by 4.7 GB left. I think it is not consuming. We'll get more to here. It's just once. Okay. Let's check the camera. Keep something to check it out. Let's click here. Let's check this. Comes like this. See, comes. Let's see. It's in depth and this that's the camera. That's very good quality. Okay, I think this smartphone is lot better for medium amount. I think it is 15,000 or 11,000. I don't know properly. If you want to take it, I would like to suggest to take it because it has faster memory and it will get a cheap rate at here. Yes guys, this is all about for today, and the next episode watch all the new updates of me. If you want to take this smartphone, it is better to take and it also helps you for many purposes. Yes guys, it's time to leave and I will see on tomorrow with the next episode.